Tuni khwa hi 2014 probability question hong ho solving ni bolo hi to ai question number 1 na chu hong chu hele probability chapter a chu 1 mark nga chu if A and B are two independent events of a random experiment, then PAB is 1 mark hai na choose la hai. You have to choose PAB is PA plus PB or PA minus PB or PA into PB. Laji amasa chu ni bolvin answer chu C here. PAB is probability of A into B. Probability of A into B. Okay. Let's go to question number 2. When are two events of random experiments said to be equally likely? Hichi 1 mark mama carry in a This question come in 2014 carrying 1 mark, and the question said when are events of random experiments said to be equally likely? Random experiment to equal likely to ibiti hidham atel equally likely means equal means same akibang having the same chance of occurrence na. Events are said to be equally likely if the outcome or occurrence of one, the first outcome na, does not affect the outcome of the other. Outcomes of other. If the first result does not affect the outcomes of the other, this is called equally likely events. These events are said to be equally likely events. Okay, now we already learned that equally likely events means if the occurrence of the first result does not affect the outcomes of the other. Does not affect the outcomes of other. Okay, now let us go to question number 3. A dice is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number greater than 4. Okay, this coming 2014 carrying carrying 2 or what is the go to 2014 last question. A dice is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number greater than 4. 2 mark question. Hey, the dice can mean is to na draw the heti na. Ja chuna man se to find the probability chance horinti he. Hechi 4 sang atam do ring chance horinti question na. If a dice is thrown, then the possible outcome will be, okay, let us see, sample space all possible outcome. Okay, it can come 1 or so, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hichi chang group la hi, face group la hi. Khave na draw ale 1 hong dot thei 2 hong dot thei 3 hong dot thei 4 hong dot thei 5 hong 6 hong ai ba ki sei thei ro chong amang a saya chu phem ta le 4 chunga greater than 4 chunga hong dot thei na ding chance ba chu holin ti chu ani ka beti le greater than 4 chunga ja 5 le 6 bo chu hong dot thei ni ve bo chu na le. So let us assume that let A be the events of getting a number greater than greater than 4. A pa he min mai bo so event sa igel dio hi chu 4 chunga ahong do thei ti cha sin he symbol na su e man mai he cha chu. Okay, let us see the outcome favorable to FAV of favorable to A. Chu chance pass 5 to 6 chance pass na. Velachun A trip hamo A R tilachun yat mamo A chu greater than 4 to 4 to 5 plus 6 bomb na. That is 5 and 6. There is only 2 favorable outcome. So probability of A means chance of getting a number greater than 4 will be equal to chom phalachun total apa na koidi total da mo to 6 na abana probability of A chu ermo khat ni bo se chu 1 by 3 2 1 is 2 2 3 are 6 chai 1 by 3 chance yin chai. Okay, now let us move to 2015 now. Give a mathematical definition of the probability of the occurrence of an event A. Chu PA plus PA by equal to 1. है ना हिला चाहिँ हे दिउ खछु events को mutually exclusive you mean au mean equally likely events au mean exhaustive au mean so la pana chu chi derivation ahong ki bol ro ite chin he diu hintin. Okay, now a failed dice is tossed twice na. Okay, if a failed die is tossed twice, total possible outcomes are numbers are 36 like I explained in the last class. Okay, let's say that this is the total outcome. Simple to solve the total outcome when a failed dice is tossed twice is equal to one dice contains 6 and the other dice also contains 6. 6 are 36. There are 36 total number of outcomes that can occur. So the question say that find the probability that the sum in plus of the point obtained in the two toss is equal to 8. Two toss na chu khalangai 1 2 3 4 5 6 mo chu khalangai 2 3 4 5 6 1 1 hong do thei 2 2 do thei si chance tam tam chu chance si chu 36 hong do thei chana. Fair dice dice khat hi 6 face na yin khat long 6 face na yin a bon chi hang do thei chu sam chu 1 la 1 do thei 1 la 2 chong do thei 1 la 3 chong sample space bon na ja le 36 fe o me ni chu hi chila chu for example chu 1 le 1 hong do thei chu ale 1 le 2 hong do thei chu ama de ni plus le chun 8 lo ri chu ama se chu 2 tos a chu 8 hong do thei ding chance pa chu ma de ni na plus a 8 hong do thei chance pa chu ijan ham ti chu even win ve in ti na chu na to chu let us denote A equal to A hi holding events of getting the sum of point. Then the sum of point equal to 8 A pa chu 8 in muzat lo ta chu okay. Then now okay, now let us find out A, that is events of getting the sum of the point equal to 8. Now favorable favorable outcomes of A na OOCOMES outcomes of A are tuti ale it na ngate ni na plus are in not ni chu feta 2 le 6 khat na 2 le 6 plus le chun not thai it so thai na aban le 3 le 5 zong aban le 4 le 4 zong aban le 5 le 3 zong aban le adang he 6 le 2 zong na khalanga 6 khalanga 2 not thai izat mamo ti ala hin mo ina plus ala it hong so ke dis na le cha chu it hong so chu how many that is 5 1 2 3 4 5 okay. Events of A is 5 now, therefore let's see the probability of getting the sum of the point equal to 8 by A, whether not A, so it will be equal to total number line is easy na 36, and how many favorable outcome of A are there? That is 5. It is 5 by 36 is the chance. define mutually exclusive event in, for example chu lottery ta chana lottery a mi khat bo se phao de chu mi khat ba chu lottery a phawa le adang hon chance nei de lo pi chu hi chu adang ho si chu foreclose pi and this occurrence chance pi chu a cha pi de lo hi ba chu mutually exclusive event sei na hi chu event are said to be mutually exclusive event if the occurrence occurrence of one foreclose all this give no chance na has an effect on the occurrence of the other thing. If the occurrence of one foreclose or giving chance na no hope no saying na itu this occurrence of the other one normally foreclose the happening the occurrence of the other na occurrence of the other. I hope you're clear. Example lottery na a fair dice or a fair die is thrown. You have to throw once. What is the probability for the occurrence of the prime number? What is a prime number? Prime number first of all, let us study what is prime number. Prime number which can be divisible by itself and has two factors only. 1 is a prime number? No, 1 is not prime number because 1 has only one factor. 1 he prime number hello. 1 is 1. 1 here, 2 1 is 1 like hello. Nale. Khat se factor ne ya 1 is not prime number. 2 in a 1 2 is 2. 2 1 is 2. 1 now thay, 2 jong thay. And no other number can divide 2. So 2 is having only 2 factor. So 2 is the prime number. What about 3? 1 3 is 3. 3 1 is 3. No other can multiply or divide 3. So 3 is also a prime number. What about 4? 1 4 is 4. 2 2 are 4. 4 1 is 4. That means 4 has 3 factors. So 4 is not a prime number. What about 5? 1 5 is 5. 5 1 is 5. No other number can multiply 5 or divide 5. So 5 is also a prime number. What about 6? 1 6 is 6. 2 3 are 6. 3 2 are 6. 6 1 is 6. That means 6 has more than 3 or 4 factors. So 6 is not a prime number. What a prime number now? That can occur. 1 up and 6 and now. A die contain 1 up to 6. So between 1 up to 6 there are 3 prime number. So what is the probability for the occurrence of a prime number? Let's assume that A is the chance of occurrence of a prime number. So probability of A will be equal to total number 6 na kayo na. So kan mo mabol he isang explanation na ale to achu prime number an mo 3 times na le la 3 ni ale 3 1 is 3 3 2 6 1 by 2 chance na sai na